Hello everyone, my name is Nagalaxmi. I belong to Vijayawada, Andhra Pradesh. I have completed my BTech in Electronics and Communication Engineering in the past out year 2021. After that, one of my friends suggested me to join this Evision. Evision is a great platform for online job internship. I had enrolled here for online job internship training in May month. After completion of training, I got a job offer in Amazon in 3 lakhs per annum. The trainers are very cooperative and also very good knowledge persons. I suggest everyone to join this Evision. It's a great platform for freshers and also experience for all to learn many things. It was the best place for me to get to learn. Thank you Evision for this opportunity.